Yeehaw!
The kayaker next to him. And I bet that kayaker will go right over that rock.
Tickets, please.
Alright. Thank you.
Thank you.
More rafters.
Everybody enjoying it? Good. It's very pretty.
Now, if I could just sit in the middle and not have to paddle, I'd be happy. I bet that's loud.
I think they're more worried about the next rapid than they are us.
It's a brick wall.
I know you guys showed me getting on the
Yeah.
train.
When I used to run a lot of water, can you imagine who laid that on that platform? Have to be at the right angles. Get up there, Lou. Look up.
I know, I did. I panned up with the camera. I know.
Can you believe the water used to be all the way up there?
Probably it did. Back when it was a little stream.
That was the water line.
Just go to the bottom of it.
Oh, I thought it was just gold line.
No, and then they had
Wow, look at it rushing. I bet this is a fun spot to raft.
fix it for armstrong on it.
As long as they're deep, it's okay, but there's rocks sitting in it. You hit those with your butt, it's going to hurt. This is Royal Gorge now. Yep, there's the road up, bridges right up above and behind.
I wonder if we'll stop here.
No, we go up and stop.
Hanging on the edge of the mountain there. We just went over this system.
Wow, look at that water.
Chestnut man.
Huh?
Oh look, that one's pretty much intact. That section.
There's a moth.
More wall.
Look, there's a moth on the outside of the window.
Where's Casper when you need him?
I know.
He'd love to chase that.
Oh, yeah, he'd be jumping out there, wouldn't he? It's way up, doesn't it?